Today on our project Cossie, we're going to be installing a new stereo, and not really because we want to upgrade it, because it doesn't have one in it. So we're going to put a stereo in it and connect it all up and make sure we got sound, because you know what? The 90s is all about music. So I've got this head unit here. Typically you can get some stereo head units for as low as $50 now. Back in the 90s, guys were spending $3,000, $4,000 on stereos and all types of other stuff. So this cool unit, it's basically a CarPlay style unit, Amazon, it's got the USBs, connect it with your phone, Bluetooth, all the other stuff. A little bit deeper than some of the new ones because you don't put CDs in these things now anymore, right? So we got to get all the wiring done. Thankfully, the wiring is still in the Cossie. There's just no head unit. And then we'll get this wired up and show you how that's done and see how it sounds. So let's get to it. So thankfully, this came with everything we need. We got installation instructions showing what clips and what goes where. This full user manual, so everything to do with the interface, troubleshooting guide, everything on how it works. So whether we're using it like CarPlay, making phone calls, connecting our Bluetooth, it's got all types of apps that we can use. So it pretty much has everything that we need. I got my guy here, Ron, helping with the install.
What's up?
Ron is a certified old school car mechanic, man. So we're gonna get the stereo put in. We've got, what is this, the main harness here?
Yeah, so we had to tap into the main harness with a harness I've never seen before. Got everything soldered. We pre-tested, made sure all the wires are going where they should. Cleaned it up with some nice wire loom. If you're gonna be in here, try to be in here once. So we're gonna give her a shot, see how it's turning out for the people here.
Let me help you out and hold that thing.
Please. Usually takes 2 hands.
Oh, you made a wiring harness.
Made a wire harness.
Oh man, I would have used butt connectors and spliced that. You're a better human than I am. What do you think the first song, once everything's connected, if it works, we should play?
It's gonna be,
it's got to be from '93.
I'm hoping it's Guns N' Roses, something Guns N' Roses. But if it's not, I hope it's New Kids on the Block. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Let's see magic happen.
Now, how long does magic take?
Normal.
Oh, it's magic.
Yeah.
Now, this is, again, these things are a lot cheaper to buy nowadays. So Kenwood, JVC, Pioneer. Nope, this is the Ain Avi. But it does its trick. And when these things go out, guess what? It's so cheap to get another one. So, this is using Android.
Exactly.
All right, we're loading up. Maybe it takes so long because it's the first time, but let's see what happens. Looks like we're official. We're loaded up. And look at this. It's got built-in, is that navigation? We got power. We got ignition, switch ignition. So that works. So we just turned it off, turned it back on again, and it actually boots up really quick. So that initial boot takes a minute, but when you fire it back up, you're ready to go. Hopefully these speakers still work. I'm glad all the wiring still run, but we'll test those out here and see how they do.
Oh yeah. So all I'm doing now is just cutting the A harness. I don't know if it's original, yet I don't care either. So thankfully, the person who owned us previously did some homework, left us enough wire here to give us the ability to know what's positive, what's negative for each speaker wire. This will work as well. So we're just gonna make sure everything gets sound and see how this bad boy goes.
Do you think this is what it's like to be Shaquille? Like, is this where he sits?
Look, Shaquille O'Neal in a Cosworth would be gold right now.
Look at this. Like, he could probably, this probably legit is him.
Oh yeah. No, you're still probably 2 feet forward from where he'd be. That dude's, it's a big man right there.
You pull up in something like this, and the people that are true enthusiasts and they see that Ford badge and they see the Cosworth, they freak out.
Oh yeah.
Did you already study the instructions?
No, I don't know how to read. So thanks for reminding me.
Did we connect?
We are connected.
Oh, I got your whole thing up here. This full CarPlay. This thing's pretty nice.
Oh yeah. So let's see if we can do a little Paradise City.
Oh, you got the Chevron app. That's good.
I like to save fuel.
Nothing's playing on the screen. What are you using to play?
Spotify.
2 Chainz mix.
Dude, this is my jam.
We got no audio, so it's time to troubleshoot.
Audio. Dude.
All right, trying to test the speakers out, and the speakers aren't playing, so we brought in the Gigatube, and it is dropping some hits. I don't know if you can hear it on the mic right now, but
that Mexican OT, Big X the plug.
Let's get some Calais 13.
Gigatube will bump it all.
All right, we figured out we didn't have enough juice, so we got the car on a battery charger. Oh, we got music now. We're connecting. We got one speaker back here that needs to be replaced. That front speaker sounds good.
Dude.
All right, these old speakers, I gotta go. We got our new speakers from Jeff Bezos himself. Amazon has delivered, and we got some good affordable speakers to put in the back of the Cossie. Let's check these things out. So these are some Pile Blue Label. Yeah, the name's hilarious, but they were $40. So this is the factory speaker out of the Cossie. This is OG. I mean, look at that. It even has the Ford sticker on there. These things are super old. We'll probably just drop it in there, use the existing cover that we've got from them, and then screw these in place so it sits nicely back there. These fit perfect in there, 5x7, so we'll get those screwed down in place and we'll get the screen cover on there and plug them in. Pretty simple, easy to do. You can see this side with the hole there. We could put a bottle of NOS or something. No, but it's really, so we'll get those speakers in real quick. We'll be able to turn it on and see what it sounds like. We got the piles working. So the door speakers are an interesting setup. So we're going to pull these out, and I've got these Rockford speakers here that we're going to try and mount in there. So we'll trim out the housing and get these sitting in there. So it should sound a lot better. Let's get that logo up right. We got the Rockford in the door now. That looks great.
Thank you.
Now we just got to do the other one.
Yep.
And then our stereo job is complete. We got all the speakers working back here and up front the doors. The Cossie, it's big dude tested now too. Look at this.
I can actually see.
Speakers are all done. Cossie is complete with the stereo system. We got about, let's see, $40 in speakers. I got the head unit for free, and I got those Rockford for free. So I got an all new stereo for $40, and of course, some help from the boys here. So inside is done. So stay tuned. Next up, we're going to dyno this thing and see what type of power it makes and how it works. And yeah, keep subscribed, keep watching.
This car's not even built.